Tuesday's math lesson, decimals in written and expanded form. Let's go ahead and click the start button next to that one. All right, we got 4 questions. Let's see what our first one is. It says complete the chart. It's giving us expanded form and it wants us to write it in standard form and in word form. Okay, so it looks like 9 times 1 plus 4 times 1/10 plus 2 times 1 over 100. Again, these are one of my favorite questions because they look super difficult, but in actuality, they're super easy. Okay, so the best way to start any kind of place value question is give yourself the place value chart. So we're gonna go, line, 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 dot, line, line. Okay, line, why not? All right, so we want to figure out where these numbers go on our chart. We know those are the ones, tenths, hundredths. All right, we're not going to have a thousandths on this one. Okay, so this one says 9 times 1. Well, I know 9 times 1 is 9, right? So we're going to put a 9 right there. 4 times 1/10. Well, this is the tenths place. 4 times 1/10, that's 4/10. So we're going to put the 4 right there. And then 2 times 100th, well, that's going to go right here. So the really easy kind of trick about this, tenths go in the tens place. So 1/10, it's going to go in the tenths place. 100th, that's going to go in the hundredths place. Super simple trick. Okay, so that is the number in standard form. Okay, so let's see what they got. Let's click on the scroll down menu and see if we can find 9 and 42 hundredths. 9 and 42 hundredths right there. And in word form, we're looking for 9 and 42 hundredths. 9 and 42 hundredths. Let's see how we did. All right, let's do one more together. This week, I gave you guys different questions. So you're not going to have what I have here, but they're going to be very, very similar. Okay, it says, which two, got to watch them because sometimes they trick us. Which two of the following have the same value as 18 ones and 302 thousandths? All right, they're getting tricky on us. So, if we do our place value chart, I like doing it in black, 1, 2, 3, dot, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and place this on there. It says 18 ones. That's weird. Well, that would be just 18, right? 18 ones is 18. Okay, and then 302 thousandths. 302 thousandths. 302 thousandths. We're ending in the thousandths place, so 302 thousandths. Okay, so we're looking for which two of these is showing this. All right, let's see what we can find. There are so many great things to see at the zoo. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this. 1/10, 8 ones, 3/10ths, and 2 thousandths. Is that what we got? 1 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place, 3 in the tenths place, and 2 in the thousandths place. That is exactly what we got. So I'm going to click A on that one. All right, and then let's see what this next one is. It says 1 in the 10, or 1 times 10, 1 times 10, 8 times 1, 8 times 1, so it looks good so far. 3 times 1/10, 3, yep, that looks good. And 2 in the thousandths, so that one looks good. All right, just to be careful, let's go ahead and look at the remaining ones. We have 1, that looks good. That looks good. 3 in the hundredths. So that would say, instead of 3 in the tenths, our 3's in the tens here, this would put the 3 right here, which is not the correct answer. So we know that is both A and B. By the way, how many times a year do you change your toothbrush? All right, thanks for joining me. Go ahead and do the lesson on your own.